Hello guys, welcome to my channel High Tech Confusion. In this video, I would like to show you Python program to check the number is even or odd. To check this even or odd, we'll see here what is meant by even, the condition for even and odd. A number is said to be even if it is divisible by 2 and gives a remainder as 0. It's divisible by 2 and gives remainder as 0. Yes. And for the odd, a number is odd if it is divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible by 2 but gives a remainder as 1. Yes. So we can classify the even or odd by these two conditions. Now we can go to the program. First of all, give one input as num is equal to int of input of enter a number. Yes. Now have to give here one condition for even. If num percentage 2 is equal to 0, yes, we have a condition of even like remain as 0 and divisible by 2. So if give that condition in if condition and print the number is even. Yes, the number is even. Yes. Before giving the odd condition, once we have check this even condition is working or not. Run. I'm running once the program as uh, entering a number as 4. Enter as the number is even. Obviously, the number 4 is even number, so it's working. So one now I'm giving this odd condition like else. Since the odd condition is remainder of 1, so we no need to give here any condition and simply give else and print when the number is odd. The number is odd. Yes. Yes. That's it for the program. We'll check this code is running or not. Once run the program, yes, it's working and enter a number as I'm entering here. For example, I'm entering here number 3. Yes, the number is odd. Since the number 3 is the odd number, again I'm running and entering number as 6. Yes, the number is even. 6 is even number, so yes, it's working. uh, it is the program to find the number is even or odd. That's all for the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. If you want to know any other programs, please mention those questions in the comment box. I will try to make another video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.